What if a crisis was brewing right under our noses, claiming thousands of lives and we were none the wiser? That's the opioid crisis for you. Imagine a catastrophe slowly unfolding, a silent killer lurking in the shadows. This is the grim reality of the opioid crisis. It has been stealthily spreading its tentacles, ensnaring unsuspecting victims in its deadly grip. Its scale and impact, staggering. The crisis has been a relentless specter haunting the lives of countless individuals. The numbers are daunting. Thousands of lives lost, families torn apart, communities devastated. This is not just a health crisis, it's a societal one. But the most shocking part? The sheer number of lives lost to opioid addiction. Picture a city of 200,000 people. Now, imagine that entire city wiped out. That's the scale we're talking about. Every single one of those lives lost is a testament to the severity of the crisis. The opioid crisis didn't just happen, it was a calculated catastrophe. Enter Purdue Pharma, a company that played a pivotal role in this crisis. The pharmaceutical giant, under the ownership of the infamous Sackler family, propelled the opioid epidemic with their aggressive marketing of OxyContin. This potent painkiller, touted as a miracle drug, was sold to millions under the guise of safe and effective pain management. Yet the dark reality was a highly addictive substance that ensnared patients in a relentless cycle of dependency. The Sackler family, including brothers Raymond, Arthur, and Mortimer Sackler, were the masterminds behind this operation. Their strategy, a marketing blitz that downplayed the risks and overstated the benefits of OxyContin. They targeted doctors, showering them with incentives to prescribe this drug, leading to a surge in usage and, tragically, addiction. Yet, despite the mounting evidence and the billions they've agreed to pay in settlements, the Sacklers have never admitted guilt. Their regret for OxyContin's role in the crisis is expressed, but responsibility for the devastation it caused is not acknowledged. This isn't just about a drug being sold, this is about a crisis being sold. Purdue Pharma's tactics didn't just sell a drug, they sold a crisis. But the story doesn't end with Purdue Pharma's reckless actions. Far from it, in fact. The aftermath of their irresponsibility led to a cascade of legal battles, a wave of reckoning that shook the very foundations of the pharmaceutical industry. Purdue Pharma, in the face of insurmountable lawsuits, declared bankruptcy. But that wasn't the end. A settlement was reached, a settlement that could potentially see the Sackler families paying up to $6 billion for opioid crisis abatement. This was a hard-fought victory, but it was also a sobering reminder of the human cost of this crisis. And there are implications far beyond the courtroom. This legal battle has highlighted the urgent need for reform, for tighter regulations and stricter oversight of pharmaceutical companies. It's a wake-up call for our legislators to ensure such a crisis can never happen again. The fallout from Purdue Pharma's actions is a stark reminder of the power and responsibility that comes with the creation and distribution of life-altering substances, but it's more than that. The opioid crisis is a tragic chapter in our history, but it's also a call to action, a call to ensure that no company, no matter how powerful, can ever again profit from pain.